How to fix VPN not working in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So we're going to right click the Windows icon, then go over to Device Manager. Once you're here, go ahead and locate your network adapters and then find whichever VPN you have. Go ahead and right click it. And then what we're going to do is uninstall the device and then restart our PC and then re-enable it again. Or just disable the device and then re-enable it. And once you go ahead and do that, see if that works. If it doesn't, that basically installs it again with fresh new drivers. So if it doesn't, then what we're going to do is open up command prompt. So we're going to type in cmd and then we're going to run it as administrator as well. Then what you want to do is type in the following things. So you can pause the video as well whenever I copy and paste it. But the first one is this. Once you type it in, go ahead and press, press enter. The next one you want to go ahead and do is this one right here. So once you type it in, go ahead and press enter again. And then the final one you want to go ahead and do is this one right here. Press enter again and you'll be good to go.